Centrally, and Salah's having said that, Salah could play on either flank as well, so it's a tough and very dynamic.
Umanyane, umdlalo kathina sayithola Kaboyelo nomntandi, Kaboyelo.
3 wins out of 3.
Subscribe.
Anyone with PSN.
We not rocks. Cup. Come on,
Something that's happened to them.
Hey, Panuan, lingene ithikithi. Ngicela bathathu.
On the challenger.
Kodwa bawumigele mfethu.
Uzobona. Ox. God, the Ox.
Computer.
Yabona upaseka makho. Upaseka makho.
Awugrab computer kwathina sakhe.
And then they're seated at capacity to get a good height on.
Yes!
Salezi! Football!
Yes!
Takes the throw in. This is Kunika. Floats it into the area. Calls her heads it away. So it's Shabalala. And here's the delivery.
And they couldn't put in there.
His chest.
So far, end of the day. So far, end of the Navy. Good job. Oh no! That's part of the pasta. Oh my God!
Fawaz!
Again to the Chilean. Finds Reyners. The dummy there from by the way, Wednesday is the most Conceded to Orlando Pirates in the semi of the NCAA. Marco snapping at his heels, Portia from Adams. Bassadine curls it. Got from Sanes.
Papa.
At the weekend at home in Attridge Hall against Orlando Pirates, a 1-1 draw.
So I got some tickets if you want.
Well, they'll go watch football. Matthews battling away again. Shamalala can't get past Matthews. Some good defense work. Tackler wins it. Sliding effort from Mokoena back
Just in front of the defense.
His pass cut out by Munyani. Now can he get it?
Munyani,
Square. He hits Bassadis.
Yeah man, call voice now.
Here it comes. Clearing header. Came from steaming down this right-hand flank. Linepo. West in the middle. Linepo to his favourite. That is good, particularly Gaston Sereno, who's still doesn't play. Yes! Shabalala to try and conjure something up. Sundowns. From Cupido. Pressure in there. From Shabalala. He's touching with heavy. Sanes gets the leg. Matthews inside. A moment ago, just a piece. Now the free kick finally. Floats this in, looking for the head of Sanes.
my face.
Who am I? Who am I?
Now it's opening up a little bit. Morena. In the middle there, and they need another body in the form of Obas, who's certainly a ball winner. Floated in by Sereno. Back post, header from Ignacio Miguel. We move into the final.
Bashaya isoldathi omsangano. Khongisha amagoli. Ngicela nepirates akhona amagoli. Shaya isoldathi yomsangano, isoldathi omsangano.